عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
Why did we retire? Why? God did not favor him. God alone determines the results of battles.
The results of battles are determined by God, but also by preparation, numbers, the absence of disease, and the availability of water. One cannot maintain a siege with the enemy behind. How many battles did God win for the Muslims before I came? That is, before God determined that I should come.
Few enough. That's because we were sinful.
It is because you were unprepared.
If you think that way, you shall not be king for long.
When I'm not king, I quake for Islam. Thank you for your visit. Thank you for your visit.
You promised. You promised to return Jerusalem. Don't forget.
If I do not deliver war, I have no peace.
The king of Jerusalem will die soon. When he is dead, the boy will become king of a kingdom he cannot control. The Christians will make the war you need.